Welcome to Children Are Important, as we are explaining how to make the arts and crafts that go with the VBS. Start your engines. Ready?
Go.
We're here. Day one of the Vacation Bible School has a fabulous, I'll show you first. This is a motocross with a dirt track and bicycles that go racing around it. And you can just start by printing this out and then coloring it, cut out the bikes, and cut out the high places so that you can go leap. Day two. You can't go on a race without a helmet, so you've got to have a helmet and you need a name tag. And so we've got both incorporated together. To make this, you can print these out, and cut these out, and then the children can color them their favorite racing colors. And they can decorate them as racing helmets. And then where are you going to wear it?
Cool.
Show me. Ah, see?
Very cool.
Somewhere else? Ah. And that's the end of day three.
Okay.
Day four. No race would be complete without goggles. You've got to have eye protection for racing around and not running into bugs, dirt. This is protection.
Motocross?
Yes, motocross. You need to print this out and have the students color it, and then cut it out and cut a hole here where you can put cellophane, a colored cellophane that they can see through. You might be able to find markers that will color on saran wrap or see-through materials. That's it, Julio. Wow. Aha, let's go. Welcome to day 3 of Arts and Crafts for the Vacation Bible School. Today, everybody needs gas. You can't keep going without power. Do you have power? Yeah. Oh, got to get him some gas. So we will make him a gas pump. This is a personal gas pump with arms. These are made out of pipe cleaners and a filler so we can get full of gas. Yay! and have energy to go and go and go and go and keep on without getting tired or weary. So print out the blank and then cut out the hands and the gas pump. You can attach these with pipe cleaners so that they can stand out, or whatever sticks are handy for you to use, or ribbon. And we decorated the hair with some ribbon. That's optional, of course. And that concludes day 4. 1 day left. And no race is complete without winning the prize. So we have a prize.
It's beautiful.
It is. It's totally beautiful, and it sits in this stand, and it's like a real motocross prize. So first you have to print this out and color it with the Bible verse on it from 1 John 5:13, and color it up, and then cut this hole out, and then you fold these corners in and fold it down so that it'll make a box. Then you need to print one of these, and this is going to be the front. Oh, there's glitter on this to make it so much pretty, and glitter around the outside. And these are the tires that get glued inside here so that it is 3D and it has, it's like the real thing.
Wow.
Yeah. It's going to be so much fun. Thank you, Julio, for showing how to make all these with me.
You're welcome.
Have fun with your motocross and your Vacation Bible School. Start your engines.